Well, it is Wednesday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia most of today representing a client at a hearing, and that went very well. And leaving court today, a person asked me a question that I receive a lot from people in court, out of court, on the phone, on the street, receive it all the time. And the question is, how quickly do I need to hire a lawyer after I've been arrested? And do I need a lawyer for a preliminary hearing in Pennsylvania? And I've done a lot of articles and videos on preliminary hearings. I will link in a couple to this video. But the bottom line is that you have to hire a lawyer as soon as you're arrested, if possible. And I recommend doing so, especially if you're not comfortable with the lawyer that's assigned to you. Now, this isn't a video designed to attack public defenders. They are good lawyers, and I have nothing against them. Many of them are my friends, but frequently they are overwhelmed with cases, and it's sometimes difficult, especially when a person's in custody or even out of custody, getting information from the public defender, because they have, quite frankly, so many cases, and they just don't have time to dedicate those resources to one person. And that doesn't matter how serious the charge is. They are simply overwhelmed. They have thousands of cases, and unfortunately for you and your family, you are just another case on the caseload, and they have a lot of clients to see, and they can't give you that individual attention. So one of the reasons why you want to retain private counsel as soon as possible is for access. And that access is access to having your questions answered and access to understanding the procedures that are going to happen in front of you. And one of the first procedures that we explain to clients is preliminary hearings in Pennsylvania. But in addition to that, there are things like bail hearings, bail proceedings, and what will happen following that if the case is held for court with regards to arraignments, pretrial conferences, scheduling conferences, jury trials, waiver trials, pleas, open pleas, negotiated pleas, no contest pleas. All these are, quite frankly, very, very important issues that need to be discussed and generate a lot of questions, and they should. These terms and concepts are sometimes confusing for people who are not familiar with the justice system, and that's why our law firm puts out so much information, so much content. And really, the laws are so different in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So if you're from New Jersey, you had a case in New Jersey, now you have a case in Pennsylvania. It's a very much a different system in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and vice versa. If you're from Pennsylvania and have a case in New Jersey, the laws are very different, the procedures are very different, the terminology is very different, and that's why our law firm puts a lot of information out at gambonelaw.com, which is our website, which provides a lot of information with regards to Pennsylvania and New Jersey as our law firm practices there, and makes ourselves available to clients and their families 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The number in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. In addition, our podcast, which features areas outside of criminal defense, because while our area is criminal law, criminal defense, our clients and their families frequently have issues outside of the criminal defense world. Tomorrow, I will have a podcast with an attorney from LaMonica Law in Media, Pennsylvania. Greg LaMonica's office practices like our law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, except they do family law. And if we have a family law issue, we always speak to Greg's office. He is a great lawyer, and he has some great attorneys at his law firm. So tomorrow we will discuss some common family law problems that occur during the holiday season. I think it's going to be a great episode. Please check it out. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one format. We are entering December, the last month of 2022. We will put a lot of content focused on the holiday season, because we understand that this stressful time, which is often occurs during the holiday season, people sometimes exercise, sometimes not the best judgment, and a criminal case can happen at any time or any place. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.